Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yeah, if you're discussing something else, please mute yourselves.
I don't want to give it to you. Oh, Abby, how'd you do that? That's really cool. Yeah.
Okay, I just muted Abhi because I was thinking they had something else to discuss. Okay, does anybody want to sing the bhajan we learned last time? We learned Hari Hari Biphale. So I would like you all to practice and sing one more time now so that, we can move on with the new one if everybody is comfortable with that. And if you have questions, we will go over it again. So I'm going to devote half the class to this bhajan we learned last time, and the other half I can teach a new one. So
Mataji,
uh-huh.
I thought the bhajan class was usually on Wednesday.
Yeah, this is a bhajan for only the older kids.
Oh.
Yeah. 11 through 16, I think, or 13 through 16, something like that. I think it's 11 through 16. So it's exclusively for them. It's a little advanced in the sense that the bhajans are a little tough. So,
Okay, Mataji. Thank
yeah,
you.
please sing. Like I'd encourage, everybody to please take turns and sing the bhajan we learned the last time. Who wants to go first? Please raise your hands. Krishna Chinmay, can you start it off?
Sure, Mataji.
Sure. And if you can turn on your video, everybody, when you're singing, it will really help to give that personal feel. Yeah. Thank you.
Hari Hari Biphale Janam Gunu Manusya Nama Paya Radha Krishna na bhajiya Janiya Niya Bisha Kanu Hari Hari Biphale Janam Gunainu. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mataji, can I try? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. If anybody wants to do the second one, please go ahead.
Mataji, can I do the first one first?
Okay, go ahead.
Hari Hari Biphale Janamaganainu.
Are you able to turn on your video, Krishna Chaitanya?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Hari Hari Bifale Janamaganainu Manusya Janama Paya Radha Krishna Nabhajiya Janiya Suniya Bisha Kainu Hari Hari Bifale Janamaganainu.
That was beautiful, Krishna Chaitanya. Next, anybody wants to go out with the second one, please? Kaushiki? Khushi? I bol.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Can you start it off a little for the first part?
For the second one? Okay.
Yeah.
Golokera premadhana.
Golokera premadhana Hari Nama Sankirtana Ratina Janmilo Kinetaye সংসার ভীষণালে দিব নিশিয়া জলে জুড়াইতে না কইন উপায়।
Yeah, it will be nice, like a very nice singing, Khushi. I'll appreciate if everybody can turn your videos on so it's a more personal experience. So yeah, that's my humble request.
Okay.
It'll be nice to see, when we're singing rather than just hear some voice. So yeah, thank you very much. Anybody else wants to go out with the third one?
Hare Krishna Mataji. I can go.
Who's this?
This is Asra.
Okay, Astra, please go ahead.
Can you start it off too, Mataji? I haven't done this in a long time.
No worries. Brajendra Nandana Jay.
Brajendra Nandana Jay, Sachi Sut Holo Se,
Balarama
Holo Nitai, Dinahina Jata Chilo, Harinama. I don't know the tune, Mataji.
Harina me uddharilo.
Hariname Udharilo. Tara Shakshi Jagai Madai.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I hope you all got to listen and practice, It'll be nice if all of us can listen and practice and, learn it to glorify Krishna. That's the purpose of this class. So, yeah, the next volunteer, anybody wants to go ahead and do the fourth one, please?
Mataji, there's no one else. I'll do.
Okay, let's just wait a couple minutes and see. I would like to give everybody a chance. So, how about Krishna Dongar, Shreya, Kaushiki, Ranju Bhattare? Any of you, please? Okay, it appears like nobody else wants to sing. So yes, Krishna Chaitanya, please go ahead. You can do the fourth one. Thank you.
Okay. Ha Prabhunanda Sutta. I think I lost the tune again.
Aha Prabhunanda Sutta.
Ha Prabhunanda Sutta.
Sorry about that.
Ha Prabhunanda Sutta. Rishabhanushuta Juta. Karuna Koroho Eibar. Narottama Dasa Koi Nate Lihoranga Pai Toma Bineke Ache Amar.
Very nice. Thank you, Krishna Chaitanya. Since all of us are so shy, to sing, let me just go, and I'd like everybody to unmute yourself and be on video if possible, and repeat after me the same bhajan we did the last time. We'll revise it once before we move on to a new one, because I'd really like for everybody to learn this. Give some time for practice, because we have 1 month for each bhajan. So even if you learn like one stanza in a week, that goes a long way, right? So I hope it's not too much of a work for you with your high school and other commitments. So please repeat after me. Everybody unmute yourselves. Hari Hari Bifale Janamagunainu.
Hari
Manushya Janama Paya Radha Krishna na bhajiya.
Manushya Janama Paya Radha Krishna
Manushya Janama Paya Radha Krishna na bhajiya. जानिया सुनिया बिशा खायनु जानिया सुनिया बिशा खायनु हरि हरि विफले जन्म गुनायनु गोलोकेर प्रेमाधन हरि नाम संकीर्तन गोलोकेर प्रेमाधन हरि नाम संकीर्तन रति ना जन्मिलो के निताय संसार भीषानले दिबानिशि हिया ज्वले संसार भीषानले दिबानिशि हिया ज्वले जुराइते न कोई पाय हरि विफले जन्म गुनायनु ब्रजेंद्र नंदन जे शचि सुत होइलो से ब्रजेंद्र नंदन जे शचि सुत होइलो से बलराम होइलो निताय दीनहीन जाता छिलो हरि नामे उद्धारिलो तारा साक्षी जगाई माधाय हरि हरि विफले जन्म गुनायनु
विफले जन्म गुनायनु
आहा प्रभु नंद सुत वृषभानुसुत जुत आहा प्रभु नंद सुत वृषभानुसुत जुत करुणा करो हो ए बारो
Karuna
नरोत्तम दासा कोई ना ठेली हो रांगा पाए
नरोत्तम दासा कोई
पाए तो माँ बिना के आचे आमार
Toma
हरि हरि विफले जन्म गुनानु
हरि विफल जन्म गुनानो.
Okay, now is everybody feeling a little comfortable with it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, so you can give some time and try to just listen, over the weeks, like next 4 weeks, and then you will. The more you keep listening, it'll just become second nature. I mean, all of you are singing so well, so I don't see, it'll be easy for you all to learn. So just give it a 5-minute listen, in a week, even if you spend like 5 minutes in a week, it will go a long way for you. Like learn just one stanza, listen to just the first one, then the second one. And when you listen to second one, the third and fourth, you yourself can sing. It should not just the first and second, even if you pay attention, just 10 minutes a whole week, in the whole week. If you give 10 minutes, you should be able to learn in about 2 weeks, you can learn this bhajan. Okay, all of you are getting it very nicely. So please do spend some time and also go over the meaning. Did we go over the translation last time for this bhajan?
Yes,
I don't
Mataji.
know, Mataji. Wait, did we?
Yes,
I
Mataji.
think we did,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Okay. So also try to meditate on the translation. It helps us to learn the bhajan, and get into the right mood to actually sing this bhajan for Lord Krishna. Okay, today we're going to learn another bhajan, Nitai Gunamani. This is also a Bengali bhajan, and it is actually composed by Lochan Das Thakura. Um, okay. Yeah. And it's from this book called Chaitanya Mangala. And we will first go through the translation so that we, get into the right mood to glorify the Lord. So, any volunteers to read the translation, please?
Krishna Chaitanya.
Yeah, sure, Krishna Chaitanya. Go ahead. The first one, please.
My Lord Nityananda, the jewel of all virtues, my Lord Nityananda, the jewel of all virtues, has brought the flood of ecstatic love of God that has drowned the entire world.
Thank you so much for your enthusiasm, Krishna Chaitanya. Yes, Krishna Chinmay, can you do the second one, please?
Bringing this overwhelming dirge of prema when he returned to Bengal from Jagannath-puri on Lord Chaitanya's order, Nitai has inundated the assembly of devotees. The fallen non-devotees did not drown, however, but remained floating on that ecstatic ocean.
Yeah, thank you. I was just wondering, does anybody know what's the meaning of deluge? Anybody here?
Yeah, a little bit. I have an idea of it.
Yeah, what do you think it could mean?
Like, not exactly sure how to explain it.
No worries. Okay, deluge means a flood, Like if you read the first translation, he says flood, right? So deluge is another word for flood, like an over gushing flood like that. And so it has inundated. Inundated means it has, the water is everywhere. Inundated the assembly of, like you say, the flood inundated all the rivers and valleys. So it filled it up with water like that. Lord Nityananda is actually giving this Krishna Prema, and he has inundated the assembly of devotees with this Krishna Prema. That's what it means. So these are two new words you could increase your vocabulary with. Deluge means flood, and inundate is to, uh, like in one sense, like, pour a lot of water into that, inundated. The fallen non-devotees did not drown, however, but remained floating on that ecstatic ocean. So it was like an ocean. The whole of the overwhelming flood was almost like an ocean. That's what is being explained here. So even the fallen non-devotees were able to float on this. So that's the mercy of Lord Nityananda. Okay, third one, any volunteer? Shreya, yes.
Lord Nityananda freely offered his exalted prema, which is difficult for Lord Brahma to attain, even to the fallen and wretched souls who did not desire it.
Yeah, so we see that Lord Nityananda, he gave this prema, this exalted Krishna prema, even to the fallen and wretched souls, you know, like in Kali Yuga, we are having so many defects, right? So many faults in us. But Lord Nityananda gave this so freely to us. You know, the only, there is another bhajan, you know, it is called Daler. I'm sorry, I'm not getting the name, but it is the marketplace of the holy name, the translation in English. Daler Gita, it's called. And there is explained that, you know, Lord Nityananda, the only price he asks for distributing this holy name is just a little bit of faith, not even a lot of faith, just a little bit faith to just chant the names. So that's how, you know, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda are so merciful. And this prema is actually difficult even to obtain for exalted demigods like Lord Brahma, but he has given it so freely to us in Kali Yuga. So imagine the fortune we are getting, you know, from Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda. So that's what is being explained here. Yeah, fourth one, Khushi.
The ocean of mercy had formerly been sealed tight, but Nitai cut a channel in its boundary to allow the great flooding waves of nectarine prema to splash from house to house.
Yeah, you know, it's like likened to a flood and a dam. You see like that here. So, you know, sometimes the gates, the dam gates are opened, right, to release the waters. So like that, this ocean of mercy, until Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, they appeared, this was actually a very esoteric secret, you know. Nobody knew about this kind of madhurya, you know, like the highest principles of bhakti, the highest rasa, like that. Nobody had any idea. It was only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who revealed all this to, you know, even the fallen souls in Kali Yuga. So it had been formally sealed tight, but Nitai cut a channel in its boundary, so, and allowing the great flooding waves. So he gave it so freely. So Nitai Nityananda is so merciful. We also know from the Jagai Madhai pastime, right, how he implored and begged to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to forgive Jagai and Madhai and, you know, actually liberate them. So that's how merciful Lord Nityananda is. Thank you. Was it Khushi who read? Yeah, thank you. Next, Shreya, did you get a chance to read?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, anybody else? There's so many others. Anshuta, can you read the fifth one, please? Or Ranju?
Yes, I will try. Lokanadasa says, whoever has not worshipped my Nitai or taken advantage of this excellent opportunity offered by him knowingly commits suicide.
Yeah, so that's a very strong statement Lochandas Thakur is making here. He's saying that whoever, you know, how foolish must we be to not take advantage, right? This is something which is not even easily obtainable by Lord Brahma himself, or, you know, even the demigods, and it's been so freely given to us. And we would be real fools if we don't take advantage and take to the chanting of the holy name, right? So it is like committing suicide. So in the Bhagavad Gita and other scriptures, Srila Prabhupada discusses, you know, Atmahana, more than the gross suicide of the physical body, the suicide of the Atma or the spirit soul, you know, the spirit soul's food and sustenance is the holy name of the Lord. And when we do not do that, when we do not take ourselves to, you know, chant the holy name of the Lord or to the process of devotional service, then we are actually committing suicide of the soul. So the Atmahana, as it is called, is even it's an even greater offense, or it's a great misfortune than even the physical suicide. That's what, you know, Srila Prabhupada says, that the soul's food is Krishna Nama, devotional service, Krishna Bhakti, and when we deprive ourselves of that, it's actually equaling to committing suicide. So we should take to this chanting, even if it's for just 5 minutes in a day. You know, we should give our heart and soul to Krishna at least for those 5 minutes. Yeah, I understand, like, you know, as high schoolers, it's very difficult to find time because even if you find 5 minutes, you want to relax and do something else. I have a daughter who is 16 too, and you know, it's very difficult with all your school pressures and your school work. But even 5 minutes, you know, goes a long way to revive your soul, to rejuvenate your soul and your thought process. So yeah, thank you so much everybody who volunteered for the translation. We will go on to the bhajan. Okay. Yeah. And the words are Nitai Guna Mani Amar, Nitai Guna Mani, Aniya Premera Vanya, Bhashailo Avani. It's simple, right? For all of you? It's not too complex, I hope. Okay.
Yes, Mataji, it's okay.
Okay. Nitai Guna Mani Amar, Nitai Guna Mani. Now you can repeat after me. Nitai Guna Mani Amar, Nitai Guna Mani. Aniya Premera Vanya,
Aniya Premera Vanya,
Aniya Premera Vanya,
Aniya Premera Vanya,
Bhashailo Avani.
Bhashailo Avani.
Bhashailo Avani. Aniya Premera Vanya, Bhashailo Avani.
Aniya Premera
Nitai Guna Mani Amar, Nitai Guna Mani.
Nitai Guna Mani Amar, Nitai Guna Mani.
दीनहीन पतित मरनाहि बाचे Okay, the pamara, this word is split into pa and mara, okay? Like that when singing.
Mataji, you skipped the second verse.
Oh, sorry, did I? Sorry, yeah, about that. Okay. Thank you for reminding. Okay,
You're welcome.
the same way. Preme Vanyalo Yanitai. Preme Vanyalo Yanitai. I lagoda deshe. I lagoda deshe. Preme Vanyalo Yanitai. I lagoda deshe. डूबिलो भकता गणा डूबिलो भकता गणा दीनहीन भासे
दीनहीन भासे
दीनहीन भासे
नवीन भासे
I will repeat this stanza. Premervanyaloyanita Ainagoda deshe Dubilo bhakata gana dinahina bhase
Rupilo bhakata gana hina
Nitai gunamani ama Nitai gunamani So after like second one, you go back and sing the first line like a refrain, okay? Like after each stanza, okay?
Okay,
So we
Mataji.
move on to the third one. Dinahina patit pa
दीनहीन पतित
मरना ही बाचे दीनहीन पतित पा मरना ही बाचे You see, we are splitting that pamara into pa and then maranahi bache. Okay. Brahmara dulabha prema Brahmara dulabha prema Sabakar jache Sabakar jache Nitai nitai gunamani ama Nitai gunamani The fourth and fifth are also the same way, okay? It's not too difficult. Abadha karuna sindhu Abadha karuna sindhu Nitai katiya mohan Nitai katiya mohan That is, the same when we read in the translation. So Lord Nityananda, he cut, right? The flow, where is it? He cut a channel. So that is what it means. Nitai Katiya Moha. Okay. Abadha Karuna Sindhu Nitai Katiya Moha. घरे घरे भूले प्रेमा घरे घरे भूले प्रेमा Amiyaraba Nitai Gunamarniyama Nitai Gunamarni The fifth also same way, okay? Lochan bole mora nitai. Lochan bole mora nitai.
Lochan bole mora nitai.
Devana bhajilo. Devana bhajilo. Lochan bole mora nitai. Devana bhajilo. Lochan bole mora nitai. Yeah, you don't have to sing like those ornamented. You can sing even plain, okay? Lochan bole mora nitai. Like that you can simplify, okay? You don't have to sing that brigas and all. Lochan bole mora nitai. Jebana bhaji lo. Like that plain, huh? Try. I will. Yeah, please sing. Lochan bole mora nitai. Jibana bhajilo. Jibana bhajilo. Jibana bhajilo. Janiya shuniya se. आत्मघाती होइलो. जानिया शुनिया से आत्मघाती होइलो. Nitai Gunamarniyama Nitai Gunamarni
Nitai
So like this, you can end the bhajan. In the middle, like some people also sing, after like the third or fourth stanza, wherever, where let me tell you the example. Here after the fourth stanza, first line, you see. Abadha karuna sindhu nitai katiya mohan. After that, they call out Lord Nityananda like Nitai he Nitai. Again they will sing Abadha karuna sindhu nitai katiya mohan. Like that you can add here there little bit, like the names of the Lord, like that. It will give a nice effect when you're singing in the temple or something like that. Okay, you can try all that. Any questions? Anybody is not comfortable with some any lines or any stanzas? We can go over again.
Mataji, can we go over the first stanza again?
Do you want me to go over?
The first one only.
Okay, sure. Nitai gunamani ama, Nitai gunamani. Please repeat, everybody.
Nitai guna
Nitai gunamani ama, Nitai gunamani.
Nitai gunamani
Aniya premera vanya Vasailo avani. Okay, this second line is the same for all stanzas. Like I will sing and show you. Aniya premera vanya Vasailo avani Dubilo bhakata gana Dinahina bhase Brahmara dulabha prema Sabakare jache घरे घरे बुले प्रेमा आमियारबान जानिया शुनिया से आत्मघाती होइलो. So the second line is same. If you learn the first stanza, second line, you can sing second line of all stanzas. Only two more lines you have to learn. That is the first stanza, first line, and second stanza, first line. So when you learn second stanza, first line, you can easily sing third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So in practical, you're going to learn only 3 lines. Okay. It should not be too tough. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, only the Nitya Guna is little differently sung. Nitya Guna is sung a little low, but Premer Vanya is sung a little higher. Okay. But Premer Vanya, Dina Hina, Abadha, Lochan, all these lines are sung the same way. And all the second lines in all the stanzas are sung the same way, just like how I showed you now. Okay. Any volunteers, please?
I can volunteer, Mataji.
Yeah, please go ahead. Your name?
Kushi.
Yeah, thanks, Kushi.
Can you just start off the first part real
Yeah.
quick?
Nitai Guna Mani Ama.
Nitai gunamani amar, Nitai gunamani. Aniya premera vanya, Baisailo Vavan.
Yeah, you're getting it, Khushi. Just you need some practice, okay? Keep listening, you will get, okay?
Thank you,
Want to
Mataji.
try the second one?
Yeah, I just need help with the first line of the
Okay.
second verse.
Premer Vanya.
Premier Vanya Loya Nitai.
Premer Vanya Loya Nitai. Aina Goda Deshe.
Premier Vanya Loya Nitai. Aila Gora Deshe. Dubilo Bhakata Gana. Dinahina Bhasi.
Yeah, see, you're getting it. Huh? Just practice little bit, you will get, okay?
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else?
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes, Krishna. I heard somebody else too. Their voice was a little faint. Who was it? Somebody else also was talking with Krishna Chaitanya. Okay, Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead.
Should I start off from first one?
Yeah, first and second. If you sing, you will know the third, fourth, fifth. Okay. Okay, start with first one.
Nitai Gunamani Amar. Nitai Gunamani.
Aniya
Aniya Preme.
Mera. Yeah.
Aniya Premera Vanya. Pasaila Vani.
Premer Vanya.
Premervanya Loila Nitai. Aila Gauda Deshe. Dubila Pakata. Can you help me in that?
Dubilo Bhakata Gana.
Dubila Pakata Gana. Dinahina Bashe.
You're also getting it very nicely. Just a little bit you listen, keep listening, you will get. Huh? Very nice. Anybody else?
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I go?
Yeah, sorry, can you tell me your name? I lost.
Asara.
Who is it? Asra. Okay, yeah, Asra, go ahead. You can sing the first and third one for a change, okay?
First and okay. Can you help me with the beginning?
Yeah. Nitai Gunamani Amar.
Nitai Gunamani Amar. Nitai Gunamani. Aniya Primera Vanya. Bashailo Van.
Bazailabani.
Dina, can you help me the second part?
Dinahinapa.
Dinahina pate tapa. Marana hi bache. Brahma dulabha prema. Sabakara jase.
Yeah, very nice. You listen and practice little more, you will get, okay? Yeah, anybody else?
I'll try to sing Mataji.
Yeah, please go ahead. You can do first and fourth one, please.
Nitai Gunamani Amar. Nitai Gunamani. Can you help me with the second line, Mataji?
Aniya Premera.
Anira Primera Vanya. Basailo Avani.
Fourth one. Abadha Karu.
Abada Karuna Sindhu. Nitai Katiya Mohan. Ghare ghare bole prema amiyarba.
Yeah, that way also you can split or you can say Ghare Ghare Bule Prema Amiyaraban. whichever is you're comfortable with, okay, whichever split, okay. Very nice. You will also, if you practice, you can, all of you, I encourage, Krishna Chinmay, when she learned the last bhajan, she sent a recording. So I encourage all of you to please do that, it is, do it as an offering for the Lord, don't be shy, just record and, it is your offering to the Lord, right? Think of it like that and don't be shy. And, even if you make the takes only 5 minutes to record one bhajan, it will go a long way. Krishna will be so pleased. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityanand Prabhu will be pleased. Okay, so look at it like that. Don't be shy. It is your age to experiment. It is your age to make mistakes and learn. It is your age to go out and be bold and try out new things. So please don't be shy, because later on you will regret. Now, when you try and make mistakes, even then everybody will say, wow, she's doing so much effort. She's sincere, or he or she is sincere. But when you grow up at 30 and do, people may not look too kindly on that. So take all this opportunity, make all the mistakes you can, sing it out from your heart for Krishna, and offer it to Krishna. That's what I would strongly encourage, because you're not going to get these years back. So make the best use of it. Try whatever you want to in this time. You should try out so many things. So many options are there available for you. You should maybe learn violin or sitar, I mean whatever you're interested in, like please go ahead. And even if it's not going to, you're not going to win prizes or go for competitions, it's well worth the try. It'll give you an all-rounded kind of you know it'll give you a nice feeling at your heart, like at least I made an attempt to do something. So I highly encourage everybody, please, for the last bhajan, make audio files or video, whichever you're comfortable with, make it and send across the group. It will really help um, you learn also and glorify the Lord also. So this, you should set small personal goals for yourself like that okay, let me just do one song at least, let me record one bhajan for Krishna. So that way, it really and also even when you're practicing, please record. That way, when you listen to your recording, you will know where all you're going wrong, and you will learn it that much quickly. So it always helps to record when you practice. Even like big professional musicians, they record their own practices, and kind of they are even what to say, very very wary about even listening to their practices, because they know that there's going to be so many mistakes when they are going to listen back to their recordings. But that is the only way to improve yourself. You can yourself find out your mistakes, where you're going, and improve on those small points, and it will really help you learn nicely and glorify the Lord in a very nice way. With all of you are having those musical skills, and that's why I am saying these things today. So please take some time and do all this. This is your age to do all this. Try, experiment, make mistakes, and just put it out there. Okay, you should have fun, in whatever you do. Okay, any other volunteers? Hi, Bol. Anshuta, do you want to try? Shreya, did you try?
Mataji, I'll practice this song with the recording, and then I'll send a recording of my own, the voice recording, or I'll just sing it in the class next week.
Yeah, do that. And also, if you can send Hari Hari Bifle, I'll appreciate that. Okay, all of you, please record both the. We have 4 weeks time, right? So take first 2 weeks and learn the Hari Hari Bifle, and then the second 2 weeks and learn this one. So in this, practically, like I said, only 3 lines are there. Even in the other one, there are only 4 lines to learn in Hari Hari Bifle. If you learn 4 lines, you can sing the whole bhajan. Okay. So like.
Okay, Mataji. I'll record. I'll try to record this one, but if I get time, I'll try to record this one. But I'll record the Hari Hari song, and I'll send it in the group.
Yeah, please. I highly appreciate that. So yeah, before we wind up for today's class, any questions, any realizations, any suggestions as to what bhajan we could do next time? I mean, this was also a tough one. The last one was also a tough one. I would like to do simpler bhajans with you. If you have any suggestions, now you can let me know.
Mataji, if by any chance, are we able to do Boro Kripa? Hare Krishna.
Yeah, we can do that. You have any particular tune in mind for that?
Just Boro Kripa Hare Krishna. That
Yeah,
one.
yeah, that one only I also know. So yeah, we can do that. That's a very nice, like kind of a peppy melody, right? So it will. Nitai Gunamani Amar is a little melancholic, the melody by itself, but the bhajan is so sweet. Um, so yeah, we could do Baro Kripa. It's a very nice peppy tune. So we could do Baro Kripa next time. Yeah, next week.
Mataji, can we do Bajahure Mana Srinanda Nandana?
Yeah, we could do that. But I just was thinking that I think many for the past several years they've been teaching that bhajan in all the class levels. That's what I heard, you know. I even
Actually, I'm learning that. That's why I'm giving this suggestion. But if you don't want to do it, it's okay.
I'm happy to do any bhajan. Like all bhajans are glorifying the Lord. So, you know, whatever request you have, I will take them one by one. You know, I don't have a problem with that. If you want to learn Bhaja Hure Mana, I'm happy to do that also. In fact, I was thinking I will do Yashomati Nandana. All of you know Yashomati Nandana?
No, I heard of it, but I never learned it, Mataji.
Yeah, there is another like one sweet melody, you know, in Yashomati Nandana. That also I can teach you. It's very nice, you know. It's very sweet bhajan, Yashomati Nandana. You can learn that also. And
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So thank you for your suggestions. And yeah, so one I got was Boro Kripa, and the other one was Bhajahu Remana. And if all are okay with Yashomati Nandana, we could do that. We could take the simpler bhajan, you know. These two are tough because the organizers told me that, you know, it's because the age group is it's a higher age group, so they told me to do tougher bhajans, but I would like to do easier ones too, you know, because it's to glorify the Lord.
Yeah, the Bajahure Mana bhajan is easier. It has only like 3 stanzas.
Yeah, I remember teaching that in the temple, you know, like when my daughter was around 7 or 8, I think I taught the group of kids that bhajan. There's also one Bol Hari Bol, you know, which
Yeah, I know. I heard that bhajan also.
yeah, you know, we did that with instruments in the temple, you know, like some kids played violin,
Oh.
yeah, um, like that you know, we did that with instruments also. One kid played the sitar, like that. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
do.
I heard the Bol Hari Bol bhajan in YouTube. So I
Mm.
mean, I never learned it, but like I heard it, like other people sing it, like they put in the YouTube and yeah.
Yeah, sure, we could do, you know, like just come up with your list. And now I got 3 or 4 names, so you know, we can work on these three and later we can take more. Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
thank you so
Mataji.
much. Any more questions or comments?
Mataji?
Mataji, can we do sorry, was someone saying something?
No, you can go ahead first.
Okay. Mataji, can you also do Jagannath Ashtakam once?
Yeah, sure, we can do Jagannath Ashtakam. Yeah, any other suggestion?
Ami Jamuna Puline?
Yeah, that's a tough one. So we will take a couple of easy ones and then um, because I know the rendition by Vayasakhi Prabhu on Ami Jamuna Puline. It's a little classical, you know, like you have to have some classical training. I mean, I could do that, but we will do a few easier ones and then go to that. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, thank you so much. And if there are no more questions, we'll wind up with Vaishnava Pranam. Vancha Kalpa. Everybody please say Vancha Kalpataru.
Kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam
Patitanam
pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
Okay, have a great night, and I'm sure you all have to go back to work. So please do take rest and eat healthy and have some fun too. Okay. Hi Krishna. Thank you all.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna.